Hello, I'm Hưng. I'm going to show you a quick demo sessions about real-time e-learning system. It's a web application and its goal is to simulate a classroom in real life. At the moment, I'm logged in as a teacher using Dr. Nguyễn Thanh Hùng account via our Hood single sign-on system developed by Huy, my teammate. As a teacher, I could create a new teaching session belong to a particular course or editing an already existing one. Here is a creating process. Now I'm going to enter the name of the lecture. I choose the class ID, choose the session which it belongs to. After that, I hit the submit button. So now after the lecture were created, I can start it, which is what I'm going to do now. Okay, so here is the user interface of a live lecture. There are four main components here: the audio conference area, the streaming area, the slide area, and the chat box. I can start streaming myself in this area. Also, I can share my own screen like this. And the student will be able to see it. I will stop sharing my screen now, and I'm going to demo the slide area. It's designed to display teaching material to the students. I can show normal slide like this, and also I can draw on the slide. I can add some YouTube video, for example. And every action I perform here will be synchronized between different clients.
Logistic regression, what you find is that each example, if you look at the cost, then only this second term will apply because the first term goes away, right? If y is equal to 0.
And the main purpose of the chat box is for text communication like this. Also, each student in the class can be able to talk. For example, I will allow Huy to talk. Okay, Huy, you can talk now.
Hello, Ari, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you very clearly.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. So that's the end of this demo session. I will stop the live lecture now. Okay, so here is the user interface of a live lecture. There are four main components here: the audio conference area, the streaming area, the slide area, and the chat box. I can start streaming myself in this area. Also, I can share my own screen like this. And the student will be able to see it. I will stop sharing my screen now, and I will into demo the slide area. Is designed to display teaching material to the students. I can show normal slide like this, and also I can draw on the slide. I can add some YouTube video, for example, and every action I perform here will be synchronized between different clients.
What you find is that each example, if you look at the cost, then only the second term will apply because the first term.
And the main purpose of the chatbox is for text communication like this. Also, each student in the class will be can be able to talk. For example, I will allow Huy to talk. Okay, Huy, you can talk now.
Hello, Ari, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you very clearly.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. So that's the end of this demo session. I will start the live lecture now.